Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safa Rahminta and you can call me Safa. Here I will present the contents of my final assignment proposal entitled Calculation of Production Cost Using Process Cost Method in MSME XXXX. First is list of content. First, introduction. Second, literature review. And third, research method. Next is introduction. In the introduction, there is a background, proper formulation, and objective and benefit of research. Next is background. MSME play an important role in the Indonesian economy, but many have difficulty calculating the cost of production correctly, which can affect selling prices and profit. Accurate calculation using methods such as job order costing and process costing, as well as variable costing and full costing, are essential for companies to set competitive selling price and obtain the expected profits. Mistake in calculating the cost of production can be detrimental to the company, so choosing the right method is essential. Next slide is problem formulation. Number 1. How is the application of the process costing method in the calculation of production cost at MSME XXXX? Number 2. What are the cost components that needs to be considered in the calculation of production cost using the process costing method at MSME XXXX? Number 3. How do the results of the production cost calculation using the process costing method compare to the conventional method used by MSME XXXX? Next slide is research objective. Number 1 is analyzing the application of the process costing method in the calculation of production cost at MSME XXXX. Number 2, identifying the cost components that needs to be considered in the calculation of production cost using the process costing method at MSME XXX. Number 3, comparing the result of the production cost calculation using the process costing method and the conventional method used by MSME XXX. Next slide is benefit of the research. This study aims to provide insight into the calculation of the correct cost of production, identify high costs to increase profitability, and support efficient decision making in MSME XXX. For MSME XXX, this study is expected to help maximize profit through the application of the process costing method. Well, for research, this study adds knowledge about the method and contributes to the development of management and financial science. Next is literature review. In the literature review, there is first is cost of goods sold, second, definition of production cost, third, purpose of determining production cost, and fourth, calculation of cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. In a company's production activity, the process always begins with the transformation of raw materials into finished product parts. The cost accounting cycle starts by recording the raw material cost into the initial production process, followed by the recording of labor costs and factory overhead, costs incurred during the production process, and ends with the determined cost of the finished product. Definition of production cost. The cost of goods manufactured is the total cost incurred by a company in the production process, which includes raw material cost, direct labor, and factory overhead costs. According to Mulyadi 2000, the cost of goods is the sacrifice of economic resources to acquire assets, which is used to process raw materials into finished product. Wicaksono 2014 states that the cost of goods manufactured is the value of assets converted into expense to generate income in general cost are the sacrifice of economic resources measured in money for specific purpose, which in the content of production function to acquire asset or generate revenue. Next is purpose of determining production cost. The cost of goods manufactured is crucial for setting the product selling price and monitoring production cost. According to Akbar 2011, it helped evaluate efficiency, set policies, assess assets, and determine price and inventory values. Mulyadi 2016 highlights its benefit in determining selling price, tracking actual cost, calculation profit or loss, and determining the cost of finished goods inventory. Ultimately, it ensures accurate per unit production cost for profit or loss calculation. Next is calculation of cost of goods sold. The calculation of the cost of goods manufactured is used to determine the cost incurred in producing goods, includes raw material costs, direct labor, and factory overhead. According to Mulyadi 2014, there are two methods for determining the cost, both fixed and variable, and allocates overhead costs to products that have not yet been sold, and variable costing, which only considered variable costs and treat fixed costs as expense for the period incurred. Next is research method. In the research method, there is first, types of research, second, data types and source, third, data collection technique, and fourth, data analysis. Type of research. In this study, the type of research used is the quantitative method. The quantitative analysis that will be used in this study is to calculate the cost of production using the full costing method. Because this study is presented with number, according to Molong 2007, the source of data in the study is the subject from which the data is obtained. Next is data types and source. Number 1 is primary data. Primary data is data obtained directly from the source, such as individual or group opinions. This data is considered accurate because it is presented in detail. In this study, primary data was obtained through interview with the owner of MSME XXXX. Number 2. Secondary data. Secondary data is data obtained indirectly through other people or documents, usually in the form of notes, evidence, or historical reports that have been documented. In this study, the secondary data used is the method costly as the monthly cost record of MSME XXX. Next is data collection technique. Data collection techniques are crucial to ensure data validity in research. The technique used in this study are first is interview. Direct interaction with the source using structured interview, where the research prepared the question in advance. Sugiono 2020. The source is the owner of MSME XXX. Second is observation. Direct observation of the production activities at MSME XXX to identify costs incurred during the process. Third is documentation. Collection and analysis of documents related to the production process, including photos or documentation. Number 4, literature study. Review of literature such as books, articles, and journals relevant to the research topic. Data analysis is a process carried out after data is collected to systematically search for and organize information to reach a conclusion. According to Sugiono 2017, data analysis techniques includes 3 stages. Data reduction, which is summarizing and focusing data to facilitate further processing. Data presentation, which is presenting data in narrative form, charts or diagrams to facilitate understanding, and drawing and testing conclusion or verification, where initial conclusions are tested with strong evidence to ensure their validity. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.